So how do you download a book on the iPad? Let me talk about it. If you're new here on the Foxtecc channel, most definitely subscribe so you never miss anything important. So there are actually more ways how you can get books and then download them onto your iPad. The first one is using the Books app, which should be pre-installed on the iPad. You get inside and you can start browsing the bookstore. Right, so you have separate sections on the app, like you have your library with already purchased books or downloaded books, but you can also just go to the bookstore, look up whatever you want, or just browse through the categories, right, and either pay for it if it's a paid book, which is most likely the case, or you can also download some free books which are available too, and you can click on a download, and those will naturally just appear on your iPad like that. So that's kind of how you can do it. But that's not the only way, because if you have, like, let's say you have a PDF on your own, right? Let's say that you have some of your own files which you typed yourself or whatever, and you have it stored as a PDF inside of your Files app. You can also move that over to the Books app for a better reading experience. All you have to do is just to check out that like file within the Files app, hold down on it, click on Share, and through the apps, just click the Apple Books so it will actually appear right there. So that's how it works. And also I need to mention that there are like alternative services for book reading. The most popular choice is the Kindle by Amazon, which as well offers you a very extensive store with all of the books available in there. So you can just log in with your Amazon account and you'll be able to purchase books directly there or sync it with your physical Kindle device if you have one. So, you know, it might offer different perks if you use the Kindle interface. So that's all that you really need to know about it. Let me know if you managed to download books onto your iPad. Hit the thumbs up and subscribe for more, and I'll see you later in the upcoming tutorials as well.